Levanta o poder, ¿no? Ahí, ya. Sí, muy bien. Ah.
You line up with two different teams, right? So you have your visiting team and you have the home team, right? We'll say it that way. The person in the front has a long stick. And they're coming in and you're lined up behind your team. And they're coming in, vamos a la guerra sin mami. Yeah, yeah, vamos de mami. Vamos a la guerra sin mami. Yeah, yeah, vamos de mami, right? Then when they get here, right, now I'm moving around. So get more sideways. So we're moving around, right? And I'm moving my head, and I'm kicking, or I'm trying to kick him, he's trying to block, right? Now all of a sudden, we decide to start grappling. So tomorrow, two people come out before you. So maybe me and John, right? So we start with Makoya, the drummer's here, and we'll do somebody else's thing. So we come here, trying to show our strength, right? Like, he ain't tough, I'm tough, yo soy más fuerte que él. Yo soy bravo, right? So then, we get up, and then I strike. Boom! And then he strikes my turn. Boom! And two new people come in. Two new people come in, and now, base, 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 base. And now, you kick, punch.
Reloaded.